Hi everyone, this is Clarissa from ClarissaExplains-It-All.net, and I'm currently reviewing the Ninja Coffee Bar. Now I have to tell you, I am a big fan of coffee. I can't start my day without coffee. I really can't even end my day without coffee. I drink it all day long, so I like to have a simple way to have coffee without having to always run out to a coffee house, spend a lot of money on fun coffee drinks. I love the idea of being able to make them at home for, whenever I want, as well as for an inexpensive price. So I have the Ninja Coffee Bar to review, and I opened it up and I set it up, which was very easy to set up right out of the package. You just filled up the reservoir with water, which is, I'll move in and just give you an idea. This is the reservoir, so this is easy to twist off right here. You can actually take it, twist it off, it pops right up. You can fill it up with water, and then you just snap it back in place. It has a little timer on it. I set the timer, and if you can see here, I'll move the handle and you can get an idea of what the display looks like. So there's the display. It has a time, and you can do delay brew, stay warm. You can set it for a half a pot of coffee, a full pot of coffee, a cup, or a travel mug. And it was really nice because this actually came with a double-walled insulated travel mug, which I will grab real quick and show you right here. So Ninja was nice enough to include that, which is very, very nice. It even included the straw. And this can go right in there, and you can fill it with ice before you decide to brew your iced coffee. So I'm loving that. Can't wait to try that. Summer, I love to drink my iced coffee. So here is the different brew settings. There's classic brew, rich brew, over ice brew, and that's for those iced coffees that I was talking about, and a specialty brew, which is your macchiatos and cappuccinos and all your fun coffee drinks. There's a clean button and a drip stop. I really, really like the drip stop option because sometimes, especially in the morning, I'm so anxious to have my coffee that as it's pouring into this carafe here, I just want it. I don't want to wait for it to fill up. So I like the option that you can hit this drip stop, take out your pot, the drip will actually stop, pour your cup, put it back in, and continue right on brewing. So I love that. There's the coffee that I'm using, my ground coffee. So I am getting ready to brew a half a pot. I like that Ninja also included this handy scooper. So it tells you on here how many scoops you will need for what kind of size coffee you'll be looking for. So the one that I'm doing right now said it needs 2 to 3 scoops, so I did 2.5. I use my paper filter. This actually comes with a reusable filter. I took it out and put in my paper filter, put in my scoops of coffee, made sure the water was filled up, snapped that right back into place, turned my setting right here to half, and I'm going to do a classic brew. My husband likes a rich brew because he likes a little bit more of a heavier coffee than I do, or darker roast than I do. So I'm going to do classic brew. So we'll just see how simple it is to brew. Button is pressed. And let's see what happens. Can you hear it? It's working its coffee magic. And you can see down there it says hot surface. So I hope you can hear it. And it looks really nice. I love the look of it. I love the stainless steel look, the black. It's very modern coffee house, but small enough to fit right on my countertop. I mean, it's sitting right here next to my oven in my home, so it's not taking up much space at all on my countertop. And my coffee is brewing. I wish you could smell it because it smells so good, but it's brewing. And I'm so excited to have a cup of it. So there you go. I just wanted to give you an idea of what the Ninja Coffee Bar looks like. I mean, it's beautiful. And how simple it is to operate. I was never a big fan of having standard coffee makers in my house because I don't like the cleanup, I don't like the setup. But this is so easy that I could use this all day long. I told you I drink coffee all day long, so I'm really loving this. It also, I forgot to tell you, add this part in. came with a frother. So there is the frother, which that is fun because I can add milk to it, simply pump it up and pour right on top for my cappuccino, macchiato, all the fun coffee house drinks that I like. I get to do right at home thanks to this beautiful Ninja coffee bar. So if you have not tried one yet, I definitely recommend it. I think it's easy, it's modern, and it's fun. It gives everybody what they want. You can go from a cup to a travel mug to a full carafe to a half a pot. So when you're entertaining, everyone can get what they want, or you can just brew a whole pot, which is great. So I'm really liking it. I love the simplicity of it, yet it does so much. If you have any questions at all, please comment. I'm over at ClarissaExplainsItAll.net. Please check out my blog. There will be a review coming, which will also include this video, but a written review with some more photos and my thoughts on the Ninja coffee bar. Happy coffee drinking, everyone.